Let's connect continuous improvement to the part of your business everyone cares about: sales. Most owners think about improving operations, reducing waste, and fixing back office chaos, but they forget something huge. Your sales pipeline is just another process. It has a start, a flow, handoffs, leaks, bottlenecks, and waste. If you can apply continuous improvement to manufacturing, service delivery, or admin work, you can absolutely apply it to leads, follow-up, and conversion. Today's video is about exactly that: how to use continuous improvement to systematically get more of the right leads, follow up better, and close more deals from the pipeline you already have. By the end of this video, you'll know how to map your sales pipeline like a process, where to look for leaks and waste, and how to run small experiments that grow revenue without needing a magic new marketing channel. Let's dive in. Your sales pipeline is a process. First, a mindset shift. Your sales pipeline is not chaos, it's a process, even if it's currently a messy one. At a high level, it looks something like 1. Lead generated, 2. Lead qualified, 3. First contact, discovery, 4. Proposal or offer made, 5. Decision, negotiation, 6. Closed won or closed lost, 7. Follow-up, upsell, referral. Your exact words and steps may differ, but the idea is the same. When you see sales as a process, you can map it, measure it, and improve it, just like any other workflow. So instead of saying sales is down or we need more leads, you start asking, where exactly are we losing people in this pipeline? Which step is the real bottleneck? What part of this process is most wasteful or unreliable? That's where continuous improvement comes in. Map your sales pipeline and find the leaks. Let's make this practical. Step 1. Draw your pipeline in 5 to 7 boxes. Grab a whiteboard, notebook, or tablet. Write down your main stages, for example. Box 1, new lead comes in. Box 2, lead is qualified, fit, not fit. Box 3, call or meeting scheduled. Box 4, discovery, needs analysis completed. Box 5, proposal or offer sent. Box 6, decision won, lost. Box 7, onboarded, upsold, or referred. Don't overcomplicate it. You just want the main flow from name shows up to customer pays and maybe buys again. Step 2, add simple numbers. For a recent period, say last month, estimate or pull how many leads entered each stage, how many moved forward, how many dropped out. For example, 100 leads came in, 60 were qualified, 40 took a meeting, 25 got a proposal, 10 became customers. Already you can see where the biggest drop-offs are and where the largest pool of opportunity might be. Step 3, ask CI-style questions. Now look at each stage and ask, where do we lose the most people? Where do we have the most friction or delays? Where does follow-up fall apart? Which step feels most painful to the team? Examples. Maybe many leads never get a proper follow-up. Maybe proposals sit in inboxes with no structured follow-through. Maybe the handoff from marketing to sales is muddy. Nobody knows who owns the next move. Those are your sales process leaks. Continuous improvement says, don't just work harder, improve the process where it's leaking. Choose a few key sales metrics. Now, let's attach some simple metrics to this pipeline. You don't need a giant dashboard. Start with a handful that matter. Core metrics: 1, lead qualified rate. Of all leads that come in, what percentage are actually a good fit? 2, qualified, meeting rate. Of qualified leads, how many book a call or meeting? 3, meeting proposal rate. Of meetings, how many progress to a clear offer? 4, proposal close rate. Of proposals, how many become paying customers? 5, sales cycle time, how long it takes from first contact to close on average. You can add average deal size or average revenue per customer and repeat purchase or upsell rate if that fits your model. Why these matter? If your proposal close rate is low, your issue might be offer clarity, objection handling, or wrong fit leads. If your qualified meeting rate is low, your issue might be follow-up discipline or how you frame the value of the call. If your lead qualified rate is low, your marketing may be attracting the wrong audience. Continuous improvement in sales is about using these metrics to focus on the right part of the process instead of randomly pushing sell more across the board. Run CI plays on your sales pipeline. Now let's apply continuous improvement plays directly to sales. We'll walk through a few examples. Play 1, improve lead qualification, fixing bad fit leaks. If a lot of your leads are poor fit, your sales team wastes time and energy. Small improvements you can test: add 3 to 5 qualification questions to your intake form or first touch, budget range, timeline, key problem, decision maker status. Create a simple ideal customer checklist and qualify against it. Tweak your marketing message to better call in the right people and repel the wrong ones. Experiment example. Problem: only 30% of leads are a good fit. Change: update landing page copy and add 3 qualification questions. Expectation: fit rate rises from 30% to 45% without losing overall volume. Measure fit percentage over the next 4 weeks. Result: less time on wrong fit conversations, more time on real opportunities, directly boosting conversion potential. Play 2, tighten follow-up, fixing the black hole stage. Many deals die not because the prospect said no, but because follow-up was inconsistent. Improvements you can try. Create a standard follow-up sequence after a call or proposal. Day 1, recap email with key points and next steps. Day 3, check-in with value add, resource, case study, FAQ. Day 7, direct where are you at message. Day 14, last touch, should I close the loop message. Use templates so your team isn't writing from scratch every time. Use a CRM or simple spreadsheet to track touches and next steps. Experiment example. Problem: many warm prospects go dark after a proposal. Change: implement a 3-touch follow-up sequence for every proposal. Expectation: proposal, close rate improves from 20% to 30%. Measure, track results for 60 days. Result: more deals closed from the leads you already had. Better forecasting and pipeline visibility. Play 3, improve the sales conversation, reducing no decision outcomes. If you have many calls but few decisions, the issue may be your discovery and offer conversation. CI improvements might include standardizing your discovery questions so every call uncovers the real problem, the impact of that problem, the cost of not solving it, and the decision process. Creating a simple call outline, build context and rapport, explore problems and goals, present a tailored solution, agree on next steps and timeline. Experiment example. Problem: many calls end with "I'll think about it" and never move. Change: introduce a standardized set of 8 to 10 discovery questions and a clear closeout step. Do we move forward, schedule a follow-up, or part ways as a no for now? Expectation: meeting proposal rate increases and fewer deals linger in limbo. Measure: call outcomes over the next 30-60 days. All of these are continuous improvement. Clear problem definition, small targeted change, hypothesis, measured impact. Measure sales CI ROI. Since we're talking sales, let's talk ROI in hard numbers. Here's how you can measure the impact of your sales CI work. Example 1, conversion rate improvement before proposal. Close rate at 20%. After a few experiments, 28%. If you send 25 proposals a month, before 5 wins, after 7 wins. If the average deal is $2,000, before 10,000 a month, after 14,000 a month. That's $4,000 per month or 48,000 a year from improving one stage in the process. Example 2, shorter sales cycle, before average 45 days from first contact to close, after CI work 30 days, benefits, faster cash flow, more capacity to handle additional leads, less deal fatigue, prospects drifting away due to delays. You can estimate. If we close deals 15 days sooner, we can turn our pipeline more times per year, which effectively increases our annual capacity and revenue potential. Example 3, better lead fit. Before, 30% of leads are qualified. After tweaks to marketing and qualification, 50% are qualified. Your sales team now spends less time on wrong fit conversations, more time on higher probability deals. Even if volume stays the same, revenue potential rises because the pipeline is richer. Capture these changes in your improvement log. Problem change, metric before and after, financial impact. This makes your sales CI efforts easy to justify and easy to expand. 30-day sales CI challenge and close. Let's turn all this into a concrete 30-day challenge. Step 1, map your sales pipeline. Write down 5 to 7 stages from lead shows up to customer, upsell, referral. Add rough numbers for last month, how many moved through each stage. Step 2, pick one leak. Find the stage with either the biggest drop off or the most obvious pain, follow-up chaos, slow movement, confusion. Declare, this is where we'll focus our next 30 days of improvement. Step 3, define one clear problem. Use a simple problem statement like, we are losing X% of qualified leads between, and which is costing us an estimated Y per month. Step 4, run 1 or 2 small experiments, adjust a script, a follow-up sequence, qualification criteria, call structure, or handoff. Define what you're changing, what you expect to happen, and how long you'll test it. Step 5, measure and tell the story. After 30 days, compare conversion rates, cycle times, or number of deals. Estimate the impact in dollars. Capture it in a short before, change after story. Then share that story with your team. Here's how continuous improvement in our sales process translated into real results. Repeat this over and over, stage by stage, and your sales pipeline will quietly start producing more revenue with the same or even less chaos. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which part of your sales pipeline are you going to improve first? Lead qualification, follow-up, or closing? Remember, continuous improvement isn't just for the shop floor or back office. When you apply it to your sales process, you're not just working harder, you're making it easier to win.